winning?
No.
See, you're so small from back here, I can't really tell.
Look! It's the Bud Knight.
It's the Bud Knight. We're saved.
Yes.
Dilly dilly!
Time to do what must be done. I did it.
Hey, Bud Knight, aren't you gonna fight with us?
Oh, a buddy of mine is having this 30th birthday thing.
Oh, yeah, well, that's understandable.
Hey, if you survive, come by.
Probably won't happen, but you know.
Yeah, that's true. You know what? Watch this. Bud Knight!
Wow, somebody likes attention.
Here's to the friends you can always count on.